Okay, lads, this second video deals with the second page of the worksheet, the packet, and it deals with that homework from the other night or yesterday, depending on when you did it. So let's look at quickly. Sorry, I coming down a little bit too far. Magnesium, group 2. Those are always +2s, right? And we call that magnesium ion. Chloride is group 17. It's a halogen, so it is a negative. It's an anion, and we call that chloride because it's the anion. Iron 3 is in group 8, and it's iron 3 because it's a +3 charge, and that's what the Roman numeral, if you remember, that's what the Roman numeral tells us, that it's a giving up 3 electrons. And again, that compares to iron 2, which is iron with a +2 charge, which means it gives up 2 electrons. Potassium is group 1, K+. It shows us that it has lost 1 electron. I'll pause here. We have silver, 1. So remember, the 1 tells us that it is a +1. It gives away 1 electron, so we write with that 1 plus sign there. Sodium is group 1 again. It's another alkali metal, and it is sodium ion. Again, I apologize for the pens. The computer is not happy with me. I don't know what I did to make it angry, but sulfide, group 16, IDE. Sulf tells us it's from sulfur, so it's S, and we look and we find that it's a -2 charge. Fluoride, 17, group 17, again, another halogen, and it is a -1 charge. All the halogens almost always lose 1 electron. Barium is an alkaline earth metal, +2, right? So that's in group 2, and we call it barium ion. And our final one is nitride, group 15, nitrogen, NITR is the root, nitride, group 15, that one has a -3 charge. All right, on to the polyatomic ions. Okay, now remember, a polyatomic ion is, poly means many, many atoms, polyatomic, and it's a group of atoms that have a charge. Together, they bond together to have a charge. So NO3- is a nitrogen bonded to 3 oxygen, and overall they have a -1 charge. They gain 1 electron, and that's nitrate. NO3 with a -1 charge is nitrate. ClO3, 1 chlorine, 3 oxygens, has a -1 charge. It's called the chlorate ion. Hydroxide, you might remember that from biology last year, OH negative. Phosphate, you better remember from last year in biology with ATP, ADP, and all that. PO4, it has a -3 charge. Sulfate is SO4 with a -2 charge. Again, I'm very sorry about the pen. It's just not working. That's a -2 there. I do apologize. NH4+ is ammonium ion. NO2- here is nitrite as compared to NO3-, which is nitrate. So nitrite, nitrate. 1 oxygen gives us that difference there. And finally, Cn-1 is the cyanide ion. Cn-, and that's the poison. Cyanide is poisonous. Sodium cyanide, whatever it is, and you take that in and it's extremely poisonous. So those are the answers to page 2.